this is Tegan from That's It LA. Today we will be unboxing Arty's Tool Belt activity set. This activity set features the show Creative Galaxy on Amazon. Now, let's open this baby up. See what we got in here. On the back of the box, it has some of the characters on it. I like her. It says here that Creative Galaxy is a make-along, create-along, interactive art adventure series. That sounds cool. Let's see what we got here. It says here that it includes a tool belt with adjustable straps and pockets. Coloring pad, a doodle pad, which is also in here. Here we go. We've got the coloring pad, the doodle pad, and stickers. We have 8 crayons here in different colors. We have 2 paintbrushes. We have paint with a water pad. And then last, we've got another paint with water pad. And that's what's inside the box. Get creative. I have an easy project for you guys. Hey kids, I'm here to show you how to use the paint with water pad. This is used for kids 3 and younger, but it still works on older kids. So it looks like that it's already painted or colored. But the magical art happens. If you take your paintbrush, you dip it in the water, and paint over it, it becomes what he looks like. See? Since yellow and blue, when they mix together, it makes green. So that's why so cool. I'm really liking this. Finished my masterpiece. Parents, when your kids finish any masterpiece from this book, you're gonna have to put it up on the fridge. I have the perfect idea for an easy Valentine card. You could use the doodle pad. My mom loves it when I make hand-drawn cards for her. While you're waiting, that would be perfect. I'll be back with my fantastic card. I finished my card. It's the earth in the shape of a heart. wrote down here, you're out of this world, because it's there. The world. And now up here it says love to you, because it's always nice to put your name on Valentine's so you know who it's from. And this is my Creative Galaxy card.